Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram no sound. If you're experiencing issue with no sound in Telegram app, here are some steps you can try to take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. First, you need to check your device's volume. Ensure that your device's volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the issue may be as simple as the device volume settings. You could also check settings, go to press app like this, go to the app information and check for the notifications if they're allowed. And if it's not allowed like this, you can simply toggle off this option like this in order to allow your notifications. Or you could also open your Telegram app and simply clear like this, and this can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve various issues including problems with sound in apps like Telegrams. Or you could also try updating your Telegram. In order to do that, go to your Play Store, look out for the Telegram app, and after you open it like this, you need to update, and there will be an update showing you if there's update needed for Telegram. And what you have to do is simply tap on that option in order to update your Telegram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address issue with sound. And you could also try uninstalling your Telegram app and reinstall back again if the issue still persists. And this can help resolve any corrupted files or settings causing the problem. And if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to reach out to the Telegram support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific guidance or troubleshoot problem on the end. By following the steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most of this issue with sound in Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.